How's it going, everybody? Got two more boxes of Topps Triple Threads 2014 baseball. The other box is back there. I will do that in another video. Bought these for my birthday that just passed on Friday. So hopefully have some mojo here, and we get a white whale or a booklet or a wood or something really nice. I was satisfied with the last boxes that I got a month ago. Bought these from the same place, DA Card World up in New York. Alright. None of them feel extra heavy, but we'll see what the thickness is. That one's got a little fluff in there. Hopefully there's no redemption, but sometimes there can be good redemptions. Let's see. Oh, that one's thick. It's not booklet thick though. I don't think it is. No. It's just I think a regular old thick one. Let's start off with this one. I'm assuming a redemption's in here. I can't even tell. Oh, starting off with a blue. That's always nice. Yeah, there is a redemption. I just saw it peek out. Cliff Lee to 25. Bo Jackson to 325. Madison Bumgarner. Hanley Ramirez. Josh Hamilton. Let's go ahead and do this first. Albert Pujols. Bat piece. Number to 36. That's pretty nice. Let's see. 36. Okay. Let's see what the redemption is. Better not be another Jerks in Profar. Already got one of those. You are due to receive an a Jason Grilli. Jason Grilli? I don't think I've ever seen this one yet in any breaks. Okay, Jason Grilli. That was a ho-hum box, I guess. Alright. Time for the thicker pack. We just got a thickie in there. Okay. Got a Yadier Molina to 125. Pedro Martinez to 250. No, let's not get a peek of that yet. Ozzie Smith. Destin Pedroia. And let's do the first one. Ricky Nolasco to 99, Unity Auto Relic. Whatever. Then we get to this. And, oh, okay. Numbered out of 9, Alan Craig, Ducks on a Pond with a nice patch in the middle. Pretty cool. Not the best player to get, but it's a low numbered card, so alright. Not the best pack at all, that's for sure. Hopefully the second box gives us better luck. We'll do a recap. Nolasco Unity Auto Relic to 99. A relic with a patch in the middle, Alan Craig, numbered to 9. It's actually a 9 out of 9, so eBay 101. And then we got the Auto Relic redemption for Jason Grilli. And the Albert Pujols Jumbo Unity Bat to 36. Number 31 of 36. So, alright. Wish me luck on the next box. See you guys next time.